MC ah. MC ah.
But she said she feel like sleeping.
Okay let's sleep MC okay. Just MC okay. This Yukin is on MC, so two of them MC lah. I think they chit chat together.
Kidding.
FP is there.
Yeah, hello.
I thought you MC.
No, I'm strong.
Huh? Fake one prank
Covered over like
Prank.
and we covered.
Okay. Okay, so you can really MC that.
Oh.
Maybe
Yeah.
she got dengue again.
No. She got blood extraction today.
Oh yeah. She told me.
Huh? Really?
That's not the story.
Huh? What's the story? I don't know the story.
So we decided to share one device. If not, we keep lagging.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so anyway, Yuki, I don't know what's the story, but the mom messaged us that she's not feeling well after the blood extraction. I don't know why.
Not enough blood lah.
Huh? I don't know why.
Not enough blood.
No, but why would there be a blood extraction?
I don't know, to see if she still got dengue or not.
Maybe lah. Okay, blood test. Anyway, we are now going to do this. Oh, I also want to sneeze. Why? Yesterday too cold.
Today also what?
Yeah, yesterday I put 2 blankets though. You know why?
Atomic structure.
I can do any chemistry.
We do everything.
What? Stuff for what? Stuff for what? Kinetic particle theory.
No, atomic structure, then the last week one lah.
We did last week, Did we do that last week?
Yeah, can we do it again? Cause like I wasn't like really paying attention.
Can. See, I got a bit of flu, It's not a little different.
Lucky we never start school. We never start tuition.
Yeah, it's yesterday you know, because they all take the big blanket, no?
Tomorrow my test on atomic structure.
Here, this one, This
kinetic particle theory and ionic bonding.
Can easy lah. Okay. So anyway, you must listen to my story first. I want to say the story of the blanket.
Continue.
Yeah, the boys, they gave me their blanket. They took my blanket, so I had to use 2 because one only either cover my body or my leg.
And that's how you get the cold?
Yeah. So one cover body, one cover leg. So I took both of this, and they took one of mine. But because you have 2 blankets, it's not good enough, right? Because it got hole in between, correct or not? So the wind come in. You understand?
How windy would your room be?
My house very windy, It's like woo.
But it's at night. Your window will be closed.
No, I didn't close the window. I opened. You know why? I sleep with the little boy. The little boy need maximum wind one.
Then on the aircon lah.
He cannot take aircon. He will fall sick.
Then on the
what?
Yeah. So can you see how difficult it is?
Then put the fan like in front of his body.
Cannot lah. My fan is ceiling fan
Oh.
Yeah.
Put it in front of his body.
Fly away.
Fan is strong what? I thought.
Yeah, very strong Too strong I cannot My nose cannot And someone they give me half blanket. Give me the children blanket. So half body, half leg. So I got a little bit of flu, but I will be fine by tomorrow. Okay, this type is called sinus problem.
No lah.
Yeah, sinus is
coming tomorrow, right?
Provided her blood come back lah. I don't know.
No, if it doesn't, because apparently my test postponed to Wednesday.
Okay, and then what?
So if she doesn't come tomorrow, we'll do chemistry again.
I don't mind I mean, even if she come tomorrow, also can do chemistry because by right tomorrow is chemistry right?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, by right tomorrow is chemistry. Okay, it really doesn't matter. Okay,
so why you not a chemist?
What?
Why you not a chemist?
Why not a chemist? What are you talking about?
Why are you not?
Why am I not a chemist?
A chemist.
What do you mean? Why am I a chemist? Why should I be a chemist?
You say you're very into chemistry, right?
No lah, I'm not into chemistry. Chemistry is my worst subject.
Huh?
Yeah,
Why?
ever since my secondary school, I can score A1. All I did was do 10 series. That's all. You see, you know what's my superpower?
Memorizing.
Everyone has a superpower, right? So I recognize what's mine. Mine is tolerance. You know what's tolerance?
No.
That means even if I hate that subject, I can still get A1.
Okay, is that a flex?
No, it's not flex. It's a tolerance. Everyone has a superpower, lah. Right? Mine is tolerance. Okay, I'm not clever. I can tolerate that subject. That's all. So my only problem is and then O level is very simple, ma. The trick is just to do 10 series. Our teacher say the more you do, the better you get and the higher chance of getting A1. So I do 3 times, lah. Right? My friends are like, are you crazy to do 3 times? Yeah, I want to get an A1, ma. They say, oh, this simple as that, right? And then A1, oh, okay, simple or not? Very simple, right? Very easy, lah. The trick is it's not even a trick. Okay, you just gotta do the 10 series at least 3 times, you get A1. Okay, so but it's not easy. Like my Sec 4 students, some of them haven't even finished 1 time. Sec 4 EMAS already finished doing the 2nd time already, the 10 series. But the
So you
chemistry,
think you smart also lah.
I'm not smart, I just tolerance, you understand? I can tolerate nonsense. Right? Everyone has got their own thing. Mine is tolerance. Like in the army, right? I'm also not the strongest. I'm not strong. It's just that I can
Wow.
tolerate pain, not flex, right? You gotta discover your own. That's why I
So
cannot. No, that's why I cannot be a chemist, because chemists must be clever. Chemical engineering must have brains, one, no. You understand? You cannot just tolerate stuff, no. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so I'm not a chemist. Anyway, got test tomorrow and test Friday. So sorry, Wednesday. So we gotta go through this atomic structure. So we go through this again. That's exactly the same stuff we did last week. So this is called an atom. What's an
I thought
atom?
last week is ionic bond.
No, I started from atom, didn't I? Never mind lah. You want to go through everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we start from here. Atom, it is the smallest particle of a substance. That means you look at the air in front of you, you look at the laptop or the iPad in front of you, you look at your handphone, water, your saliva, your eyeball. If you chop them into the smallest piece, you are going to get an atom. You will get an atom. So atom, you cannot break down anymore. You understand? That is according to O-level student. Okay? O-level student, you study only until atom. And of course, sorry, not just atom. You go into the atom. So in the atom, you have the proton, neutron, and the
There's
electron.
something smaller than the atom.
Yes. You go to JC. Okay, you see, O-level, I'm okay. I can understand until proton, neutron, electron. They go to JC, you know what they do? They give me 24 more items, you know. You understand? That means they break down the proton, neutron, electron into 24 items. My brain just cannot, right? So I screw up my JC chemistry because I totally don't understand the 24 items, okay? 3 things, okay lah. You know, electron, proton, neutron. Electron, negative charge, easy, right? Proton, positive charge. Because P for proton, P for positive. And neutron is inside the nucleus. If you cannot understand this, then I don't know what to say. Okay, so this is the facts that you need to know. But if you go to JC, they're gonna break this down into 24 or 25. I don't remember. Right? It's called quarks. Quarks. Okay. Then the funniest thing is when you go to university, right? They say that everything is strings. So no more 20. Yeah, so no more 24 item, no more proton, neutron, electron. Everything is strings. Okay, that's even weirder. So I cannot understand already. Okay, so so the part I totally cannot get it. Okay, so So I can only understand until the O level part, okay, which is proton, neutron, and electron, which is easy to understand. So you need to know whatever is inside here, right? The mass, the charge, and the location, which is pretty simple. I remember Effie last time. Do you remember you gave the analogy of the fan?
Yeah.
I still remember, no, that I still use that example. So if you never switch on the
What
fan, she say if you never switch on the fan, it looks like 3 blades, correct? 3 or 4 blades. But if you switch on the fan spin. What does it look like?
Listen.
Huh? What does it look like when it's spinning?
A circle.
Yes, exactly. That's exactly what an atom. Why an atom looks like a circle? If you take a picture, okay, the electron will be like who? To be stuck there. But if you look at it in video, it looks like one big ball. Okay. So this has got scientists perturb. Perturb means I don't understand why like that. How come this big ball can be a solid, liquid, and gas? Okay, one ball it come together can become solid. Okay, so never mind. So atom has equal number of protons and electrons. This is called electrically neutral. Now this one is important because later on you're going to talk about ion. Ions are electrically charged. Yeah, either positive or negative. But atoms must always be equal. That means the number of protons must equal the number of electrons. No argument about this. So now look at the periodic table. If you look at the periodic table, look at the element, there are two numbers, one at the top and the bottom. Usually I say bigger number and smaller number. Why? Because O level, they have changed the periodic table. I don't know why they want to change it, but basically they just swap the top and the bottom. Okay? They swap top and the bottom, and then they say that, oh, we have done a review of the O level chemistry and it's done. Okay? That means they have already updated to the latest iOS chemistry O level 2020. What did they do? They swap the periodic table top and bottom number. That's it. Okay? And then you pay money for the exam paper. Do you understand? Anybody there?
Yes.
That was a joke, Nobody laughed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
Okay. No, it's like you pay them for 1 whole year and then they come back and then they tell you, yeah, we checked already, right? We swapped the table. We have done our job. They just switch top and bottom. Okay. 1 whole year. 1 whole year. They just switch the top and bottom. Right. So anyway, it's swap. So I don't like to say that top is neutron, bottom is proton. Actually, I don't know what is the latest. Okay. I just know there's a bigger number and a smaller number. So the bigger number in this case is at the top. It's called the nucleon number. Why? Because it tells you the number of particles in the nucleus, right? The bottom number is called the proton number. So proton number is the number of proton together with the number of electron, because number of proton equals the number of electron. Easy?
Yeah.
Got it. So that's atomic structure, right? And this one don't need lah. This one don't need. Do you need to do? Better do lah. If you are tested on atomic structure, they sure test this. Guaranteed.
I think I got my chemistry paper.
How do you draw? How do you
Guaranteed test this thing.
Oh dear.
Better drink some water. Tonight I'm gonna wear jacket.
It's very hard to draw. It's not my draw. Like, I got the test. I went for other class degree. Then he go take photo all the paper, all the questions.
Whoa, you draw grass
Grass.
I never asked you to draw grass You say fill in the table no.
How do you do this arrow thing? Oh, that's how it works.
Magnesium mass number. I don't know. It's probably 24.
Hmm?
It's 24.
Yeah, write down. Can write, right? Type also can, can type one, ma.
24, 12, 12, 12.
What you're doing, you're like kindergarten children. I ask you to write mass number. Ah.
24, 12,
Yeah.
18.
Yeah. Well done. Next one.
17, 17.
Okay. 17. Proton 18.
Hey!
17.
Are you using a mouse and a laptop?
Yeah.
17, 17.
18.
Is it a trackpad or what?
Now.
Mouse. Okay.
Wait,
Okay, I can write
let me
mouse.
try doing this. I've never done this in so long. 56 minus 26 is 30. So this is 30.
No, that's 26.
Why?
Because it's proton.
I don't.
Proton is the same
Oh
as
yeah,
proton
what
number.
am I doing? Then what about this? Why is it different?
30, huh?
Why is it still different?
Because this is 17.
Is she lagging?
Yeah, we can't even erase. Oh, by
Right.
lagging.
Choose the eraser lah.
Oh. Your internet connection is unstable.
This particle has a different number.
Wait, okay, then this is 26, then this is 30
Yeah.
Then that's
26.
26 again.
I don't know what's strontium.
Then strontium was
This
it?
is 38. And
The
this
clue is
is
all the numbers. You don't need to see periodic table one. Right.
we never see periodic table. What?
Yeah. So okay, so let's check whether you guys are correct. We're gonna move down and match the numbers. See high tech stuff here. Whoa.
Wow.
38, 38, 30, 26. Wow, you get full marks for this. Next. Moving on. Okay, next I introduce to this thing called the electron arrangement, which is the 2, the 8, the 8, the 8, the 4D number, right? So what is the electron arrangement? So basically the first shell must have 2, and then second shell 8, and third shell 8. And this is about the electron arrangement in every atom. They will follow this level 2, 8, 8, 8, 8 thing. Okay, what does it mean? That means, for example, sodium has 11 electrons. It will be 2 in the first shell, 8 in the second shell, and there'll be 1 more sticking out in the third shell. Okay, so all these 3 levels of electrons, they are orbiting around the nucleus at the speed of light. Okay, they're just going round, non-stop. Understand? So now we don't need to draw the whole thing. Usually we just say, hey, can you just write down the electronic arrangement? So you just write 2.8.1. Any problem with this?
Oh. No.
Okay. See, can you write down the electronic configuration for R and S? What is the electronic arrangement for R and S?
Black. Okay, how do you do this? Oh, okay, sharp. Trying this. That's what. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so looks good, right? 2, 8, 2 because it's 12. 2881. Very good. So which element has 12 neutrons in the atom?
R.
R. Why? 24 minus 12. Very good. It's correct. Effie, do you know?
What?
For part B, which element has 12 neutrons?
Mm-hmm.
Is R, because mass number is proton plus neutron. So atomic number is the proton number. Okay, so just take 24 minus 12.
Proton.
Okay, next one. Very easy. Next. Okay, this one also no need. All right, so now knowing this number, or rather the number at the outermost shell, it has some significance. What do I mean by some significance? That means it tells you something. For example, you see this outermost shell, we call it, because it's so important, we actually give it a name. I mean, not me, right? Chemists, the chemists, they give it a name. They call this the valence shell. So every outermost shell is called the valence shell. Now the valence shell obviously contains the valence electrons. And this is also known as the number of electrons is also known as the valency. And this valency also tells us the group number. All right, can you see that? One number has got so many names. So in this case, magnesium has valency 2. It is in group 2. It has 2 valence electrons. They all mean the same thing. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, good, huh? So now what you can deduce is just by looking at the number in the outermost shell, you can tell which group that element is. Isn't it awesome? Is it awesome? No? Not awesome? Yes, okay. See how participative you guys are, right? Okay, so stable electronic structure. Now we introduce you the stable electronic configuration of noble gases. So noble gases are like kings and queens. Every element wants to be like them. Why? Because they have a stable electronic configuration. What do you mean by the stable electronic configuration? It's either the duplet or the octet configuration. What's the duplet configuration? That means they have 2 in the first shell. Octet means 8, right? In the outermost shell. So in trying to achieve that, they will have to either give or gain electron. Okay, later they will know, right? Next, you are also introduced to this thing called isotopes. Now, what's the definition of isotope? Can you see?
Same number of protons.
Yeah, same proton, but different
Electrons.
Neutron.
Huh? Who said electron?
I said neutron. You left.
Oh, E become N. I see. Okay. So neutron different, same proton. Right. Next one. So similarities and differences. Now they have the same number of proton, similar chemical properties, but different mass. Why do they have different mass?
Because different.
The weight different. Why do they weigh different?
Neutron.
Yeah,
First
because
one
neutron.
got more neutron, got less.
Very good. What is the relative mass of
Thank
neutron?
you.
Yeah.
I think we're lagging again.
What is the relative mass of neutron? Oh, what is the relative mass
No,
of
because one got
neutron?
more neutron, one got lesser neutron.
Because the mass of neutron is 1. Do you understand?
Yeah.
If you miss 1 electron, does it matter?
No.
Is it going to cause the mass to change? No,
No.
because it's very light. But the neutron is heavy. Okay, got it. Next. Okay, so which one has the greatest mass? That means the heaviest. Which one is heaviest? Basically, we don't care electron. You understand?
Q.
Q, yeah. You must Q. Correct. Why? 12 plus 12, 24. Next. Okay, which one are isotope?
PNR.
Effie, do you know why PR? Effie.
Wait,
Do you know why is it P and R though?
no. I only know why it's R. I don't know why it's P.
What do you mean why R? Isotope got 2 lah. You must choose 2.
Then?
Huh?
Wait, I'm back. Oh, I know now.
Because definition of isotope is same number of
Proton.
yeah, same proton. Now another thing you need to know, proton is like the NRIC number. Okay? Do you have an NRIC number? Yes, everybody has. When just curious, when did y'all get your IC number?
Haven't.
Huh? What do you mean?
You got it what?
Are you a Singapore citizen?
No.
Huh? You're not Singapore citizen. I didn't know that. I thought all Singapore citizens get it by 12 years old. Do you have your IC with you?
No.
Pink color IC
No.
No,
Oh,
I haven't yet.
you never get yet. When will you get? Set 4, is it?
I don't know, but it's soon.
Oh, okay. That's interesting because we get it. I mean, a long time ago we get it at 12 years old. Okay, so 12 years old was a defining moment because we grow up. You get IC.
No, we were supposed to get like sooner, but then like my teacher like never because of COVID.
Oh, I see. Yeah. So anyway, you have your birth cert number, right? Birth cert number is unique. That means only you have that number. Yours is it S or T? T, right?
T.
T. So older generation, I mean, we are S. Even older generation got some other weird number. Okay, but nowadays all T already, right? Because we already use out all the S's, left the T's. So anyway, element also have IC number. The proton number is the IC number. So if you see proton number 6, it means that particular element. It cannot be any other element. You understand? The proton number is the IC number. So you have proton number 1 all the way to 200 over, right? So every element is assigned one number. Okay?
Teng.
Yes, sir.
Cation is negative or positive?
Positive.
Oh.
Remember cat. C A T. T for positive. Cat ion. Okay. Anyway, let's continue. So proton number is the IC number, right? So basically isotope means, hey, you have two Fe. That means the same IC number, no? But one big, one small.
Two Fe.
You understand? Yeah, or two Edric or two Mr. Teng. Okay, two like twin brother. Then after one is big size, one is small size. Okay, that's isotope. Why is it like that? This is nature. Okay, here comes the exciting part. This is the ion. So how do we get ions? You either gain or lose electron. Why do atoms need to gain or lose electron? Because they want to achieve the noble gas status. They have no choice, right? To either throw away electron or to get electron. Now, under what kind of circumstances do they throw away electron? When there's very little electrons in the outermost shell. Okay, so we're gonna see some examples, then you understand. Why? Okay, here's a why. Why do they want to become? Why do they want to become?
To achieve noble gas.
Yeah. To achieve the noble gas electron, they must either lose or gain. Okay. So in general, this is true. Metals lose, non-metal gain. Right? So metals will become positive ion, then non-metal become negative. Why? Because electrons are negative charge. So it's like if your house have a lot of rubbish, you throw away rubbish, your house become what?
Rubbish.
Clean. Clean. right? So it's the same with the atom. The atom throw away negative, throw away negative. So they become positive. Okay? Then non-metals, unfortunately, they eat the rubbish. Non-metals eat negative, so they become negative ions. Okay? Now, why do
Non-metals
they...
are disgusting.
The what? Say again?
Non-metals are disgusting.
Well, you drink them, you know. H2O.
Oh.
They're all non-metals. Okay, so the classic example is always sodium and chlorine. Okay, so later we'll see. But look at sodium first. So this is sodium. Now, sodium will become a positive ion. Why? Because it will throw away one electron. Okay, it throws away this one electron so that it can achieve the octet state of 8 electrons in the outermost shell. And because it throws away one electron, it becomes positive charge. Okay, throw away electron become positive charge. Next one. Magnesium. So magnesium here is very easy to see. These two are extra, or you can look at the, the number 2 over there. So it throw away 2 electrons become 2 plus. So if you throw away 3, become 3 plus. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll just look at this. So what if you have 4 or 5 or 6? So fluorine. So what fluorine does is that it will eat 1 electron. Okay, to achieve 8. Because the current structure is 2.
Teng,
Yes?
can you hear the dog barking?
Yeah, I can hear a dog barking.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can you hear my ama talking?
Don't be rude. That's the dog barking.
No,
That's not your ama.
No,
Okay.
my Ama's talking.
I can't hear the
I'm
ama.
shouting at the dog.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not talking. That's shouting. I can't hear the shouting.
Oh, whatever.
Oh, maybe her default state is shout, is it?
Oh,
every
yeah.
time she start
Okay,
talking,
yeah,
it's
you
like,
can say that too.
wow. Every time like that one. Okay. Yeah, I know some people are like that. Okay. It's like they can't tell the difference between talking and shouting. Next one. Yeah, I can hear the ama talking. Next. Right. Next one. Okay, oxygen will become 2 minus. Okay, can you explain why does it become 2 minus? Anyone?
Because it gains 2 electrons
Why does it gain 2
to
electrons?
get noble gas.
Why? Why 2? Why not 3?
Because you only need 2 more to become noble gas.
Why? How do you define noble gas?
288
Ah, very good, right? So in this case, it's just 2 8 2 8.
at 26.
Yeah, two more electrons. Have you understand this one?
Yep.
Okay, 3, this one only already. So this one only already. Go. Okay, complete the following diagram. Now this is easy, too easy for you all, right? So we're gonna jump straight to combining
Right.
multiple choice. Okay, we don't want to do multiple choice, Jump to bond, okay?
Just call my friend.
We jump to bonds, right? Bonds. Okay, chemical bond is here.
Oh, this kind. I hate this kind.
I just took a selfie.
Okay, so the classic example that we always go through is sodium chloride. Okay, why do we use sodium chloride? Because sodium chloride is, everybody knows what sodium chloride. Correct or not? Do you know what sodium chloride?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where can you find sodium chloride?
In your food.
Yeah, it's in us right now. Human being, okay? Human being. So human being has sodium chloride because you eat salt, right? Like there's salt in our body. So now, can you all try to draw sodium chloride? Jumping straight to the bonding, the ionic bond. Sodium chloride. Can you give it a try?
Okay.
I don't want to.
Wait, what?
Draw sodium chloride.
Right. Can we have the periodic table?
Okay, why don't you get your own? It's easier. Anyway, sodium is 11, chlorine is 17. Okay, electron. Who takes care of the dog?
FE.
One person only.
And FE parents.
Oh, I see. What does the dog eat?
K9.
Oh?
Dog
Biscuit.
food lah.
I mean, how about rice?
No.
No, sometimes we cook for him like some food.
Yeah lah, but you know, I used to have a dog. He eats leftover stuff.
Your dog died.
Oh.
No, he ran away.
Jack, can we get the periodic table?
Well, I told you already. Sodium 11, chlorine 17.
Sodium 11, chlorine 17.
Yeah. See, I gave you the number.
Sodium 11.
Yeah.
Okay. Can. I'm gonna use the stem.
Oh.
You must be tired.
Yeah. Battling the running nose, you know.
Oh.
Joe, why are you wearing specs?
Get well soon.
Can you see? Blue ray spec. This one.
Yeah, you told me before.
Reflect all blue color. Because here itchy, eyeball itchy. Watch too much computer. Okay, yeah, that's correct. But you are missing something.
The bracket, I know. NA is just +1 and CL is -1. Okay.
Yeah, you gotta draw the bracket, okay?
It's so hard to draw.
No, it's okay, I draw for you, right? So the actual one is like this, okay? So Na plus Cl minus. Now, usually they will ask you to draw the outermost shell, so you don't have to draw the entire thing. So this is fine. Now, what type of forces hold the sodium ion and the chloride ions together?
Huh?
E, look at E.
The strong forces of attraction.
Wrong, no full marks.
I forgot the name. It's
then no full marks already.
It's the funny name.
Yeah, you know why we make it funny so you can remember, but now you only remember the funny thing.
Be something.
Be.
Oh yeah, Sofu.
Isoya. Wait. Sofa. Wait. Sofoya.
Sofoya before far. Can you just say?
Fettuccine.
Let me think.
Lasagna. Bin panini.
Strong forces of attraction.
Lasagna.
OA.
Fettuccine.
OA.
Soy.
Soy. What the hell?
Mr. Teng. SF.
Sifoya bosai.
Strong electron.
Oh.
Leak force of attraction.
Between
oppositely charged ions.
Yeah, strong electrostatic force of attraction.
Yeah, I got it right. Okay.
So where is the positive charge? Where is the opposite charge ion? Here and here. Okay, 1 plus 1 minus 1. So because they are bonded, due to the you know it's like one of these gotta go here. Right, it's like one of the hand go inside to chlorine, so they are bonded very closely together. Okay, unlike the covalent bond. So what type of covalent? What is the forces of attraction for covalent bond?
Huh?
Ionic bond is Sifoya bosai. How about covalent bond?
Covalent is I forgot.
Wimfoya.
Wait, what does Winfoya stand for?
Weak intermolecular force of attraction. If you're tested tomorrow, I guarantee you this one will be useful.
What? WIMFA.
FOA.
FOA.
Wimfoya.
What does it stand for?
Wimfoya.
No, what does the
Weak intermolecular
weak
force
intermolecular force
of attraction. Now this is for covalent bond, okay?
strong electron.
Covalent. This one covalent. This one ionic. Alright, so this thing, the Stifoya boson and the Wimfoya can be used to explain why the forces are so strong. You can also explain why this ionic bond have high melting point. Why it so cannot melt, right? Have you ever seen melted salt before?
No.
Salt. I also never see. You know why?
Because it cannot be melted.
It can. It's maybe like what, 3,000 degrees Celsius. Right? Which we will never see because unless you are in some industrial use.
When you go to the sun.
No, yeah lah. But I mean, in on Earth, right? Likelihood is that we will not see it. Okay, because of the C4 busi. Okay, then how come hydrogen and oxygen come together become water?
Because they are the
covalent bond.
Wimfoya.
Yeah, and how come it's liquid? Liquid and can become water vapor. They can evaporate, happy evaporate, right? Because Wimfoya, weak intermolecular force of attraction.
Weak.
Weak.
It's weak.
Yeah, it's weak. Okay, what's one use of sodium?
Sodium.
Yeah, what's the purpose of sodium? Dot. What?
Give one use of sodium chloride. It gives taste to your French fries.
Yeah, make your French fry tasty. Okay.
We can write that in the exam.
No lah, just say food taste, improve the taste of food. Right?
Wait, can write that?
Yeah, it is one. You know, people put salt no other reason just to make except just to make it taste nice. There's no other reason.
Salt water tastes nice.
No, people put salt in French fries because it tastes nice. It's not to make you healthy or what, no. It's just because it tastes nice. You understand? Salt duck, right? They all like to drink the salty duck soup. 咸菜鸭汤. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
咸蛋, salted egg, you like? Salted vegetable. Salted fish. Okay.
But I will still eat it.
Why the human beings invent all this stuff? This is a second use of salt, right? So apart from making it tasty, it's also a preservative. Hey.
Yeah.
Cannot use handphone in class.
There was someone called me.
Just kidding. I'm using so many devices. How to not use handphone? Alright. Oh, what the? What? No, I'm not lagging. Next one. So we move on, right?
Yeah, lagging.
Don't have that.
Stop being in denial. You're living in denial.
You didn't erase what we did.
No, I just did this just now.
Oh.
Okay, look at this.
I think we're done with atomic structure.
Yeah, I don't think we are now at bonding. What? Bonding.
I only tested ionic bonding. So
there, ionic lah. Which one is ionic?
Ionic is sodium chloride, copper 2 oxide.
Yeah, so this one I, this one I. How come? Why? Why is it ionic? How do you know?
Because it's metal and not metal.
Yeah, that's it. Simple as that. Okay, so check this out. Question number 5. Which one represent molecules or compounds?
Why her face no change one? he got one straight face. Huh? What?
Look at 5ABC.
Which of the structure
Okay.
are you doing now?
No.
Oh,
I'm just gonna show you like
I would like to send.
oh, you can see.
Why?
One sec.
Even if you private it, even my request is still can't follow.
Charlie.
Which of the structures shown in the diagram above compound? That thing is blocking. B and E. Hello? Mr. Teng?
No, I did not like. I didn't like. Next.
B
By
and
what?
E.
B and E, yes, they're right.
B and E.
EB. EB.
Name the compound. CH. No. C. Yes. CH3.
CH3.
Yeah, for B.
7. 7 proton, what element is that? 7 proton is not carbon.
The ending is
7 proton is what's after oxygen?
I don't know. I think nitrogen. Actually, I don't know. Let's check the periodic table.
Wait, 7 proton, then why she take 3 more?
Periodic table. O level.
Yeah. The penultimate.
Okay, 7 is nitrogen. 7 is nitrogen. So this is nitrogen.
Then, wait,
H.
every got 7, why got 3 more P?
Are you testing a covalent bond?
No, I mean no lah, but
P is P means 1 proton. This is 1 P.
yeah.
1 P. So 1 P is hydrogen, right? So what's NH3? The compound is NH3. What's the name of NH3?
Methane,
Ammonia gas.
ammonia gas.
Yeah, this one is ammonia gas. All right, then how about this guy? E, what's E? 8 proton. 8 proton is oxygen. So oxygen and 2 hydrogen.
Or 8 proton as in. Oh, I thought 8 as in the valence shell is 8.
No lah, where got 8? 8
Wow.
proton. I told you proton is the IC number
So it's the whole thing lah, including the shell. I thought it's just talking about valence shell.
Okay. Okay, so the type of bonding between them is a covalent bond. Right, they're all covalent bond. So which one are isotopes? Which one are isotopes? Isotopes.
Yeah.
Which one isotope?
Isotope is very easy. It's C and D.
C and D, yeah, just look at the number of protons, right? 10p,
The
10p.
neutrons.
Huh? What do you say?
I said the protons and neutrons.
No. Just look at proton.
That's correct.
Why?
Because isotope is same number
Proton
of.
must be the same.
Yeah, same P, different
But
N.
neutrons must be different.
Yeah, but first criteria must same proton
Yeah, and second criteria must different neutron.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. Okay, so this one, skip. Question 6.
Pew pew pew.
Is Z metal or non-metal?
Z,
Yeah.
non-metal.
Why?
Cause group 6 group 6 non-metal lor.
Yes, very good. Okay, Effie, do you know?
Yeah.
Nia is yes or no?
Yeah, I know. I understand.
Okay. He said Nia.
Oh my god, it's not English, I just realized.
How many hydrogen atoms are combined with one atom of G?
Huh? Wait, what?
B part 1.
Oh, B part 1. How many hydrogen atoms will combine? Oh, 2.
Yeah. What is the name given to the bond?
What's the name given to the compound? I don't know.
No. The bond. This not a bond.
Oh, covalent.
Yeah. Okay.
Easy lah.
Yeah, easy lah. Okay, look at this. Are you tested element compound mixture?
Yeah, I think you're lagging.
No, I'm not lagging. Asking, are you tested on element compound mixture?
Yeah.
Okay. What's one difference between element and compound?
Element is made out of element cannot be broken down into simpler substance.
Yes.
Compound can be broken down into 2 or more simpler substances by chemical methods.
Very good. B. One difference between a mixture and a composition of compound. Compound.
Yeah, I couldn't hear you.
I say compound.
One
Difference.
difference
B.
between the
So I said that. Please watch the and tell me you're not.
Just sing the
I
school
didn't
song.
get it.
Just sing the school song
Yeah.
when you go to school.
One difference between the composition of a mixture and wait, what does composition means?
Inside. What's inside?
Oh, what do you mean what's inside?
Yeah, I mean what's inside.
Like inside the atom or what? Or inside the
Mixture.
mixture of
What did it say? It says, what's the difference between the composition of mixture and the composition of a compound?
oh, mixture got like many different sort of compound elements inside.
Effie try.
I got it wrong.
Effie try.
Let me phrase it.
Okay. Go ahead.
Are you just asking the difference between mixture and compound?
No, in terms of composition.
What does composition mean?
He just asked the same thing.
Like one of them is oh, that might be wrong, but like, what is your previous answer? What's your answer?
I said the mixtures have many different sort of element and compound in the thing.
So it's like basically the property of the composition of a mixture and between the property of the composition of a compound.
But
as in like the properties of both composition in different mixture and compound. I don't know how to phrase that.
Are you asking me a question or are you saying a statement?
I'm asking you a question.
Are you? So yeah, you mean what? The properties? Is it about the properties? Is it? Yeah, if you can talk about the properties, I think that's fine as well.
It's like
Uh,
the composition of a mixture is wait, I don't know how to like phrase it.
Huh? Use English
Can you say it like wait. Can you say this
Chinese also can. 化学
学花票
雪花飘. Why you all like that?
Hey, Mr. Tang, do you know the song?
Yes, I know the song. I saw the meme.
Wait, I can't start my head again.
水
花票
Get a hold on yourself.
Okay, wait, let me do this question. Wait a minute. Wait, one of them is it like is one of them is like soluble, one of them is insoluble or something?
No.
One of them takes up the properties of the mixture, one of them doesn't. Does that make sense? Okay, wait, let me just rephrase it. Okay, wait, I can do it.
You have to do it.
It's a must.
Yes.
So how about you just go through?
No!
Oh man.
Isn't it? Very bombshell.
What's the fascination with that? That's such an old song.
Excuse me, I'm trying to say mixture is like composed of two or more elements, and then
compound also can be two or more elements,
Correct. Because one is non-fixed ratio and one is a fixed ratio.
Yeah.
That's what we're looking for, right? What is the proper phrase? The proper phrasing is compound has fixed
is made out of
fixed
fixed
composition by mass. Okay, mixture no fixed composition. Okay. Fixed composition by mass. Yeah, poison. Yeah, poison.
Mr. Tang, that song is a meme.
I know. I saw, but I don't get the fascination. I listened to it like when I was in primary school. All right.
It's a decent song.
Huh? What recent song? That's a what 40 years old song.
Decent.
Oh, decent. Yeah lah. Okay lah. There's a techno version also. Thanks. What's the one difference between the formation of mixture and formation of compound?
I don't know.
How are mixture? Okay, compound is formed by chemical reactions, right? How about mixtures? Do you need chemical reactions?
Physical.
Yeah, just physically mix them. Okay, no chemical reaction required. Next one.
Yeah,
Okay, so you see sodium chloride again. They love to ask sodium chloride. Please make sure you know how to draw sodium chloride. Okay, are you tested on covalent bond?
No.
FE?
What?
Are you tested on covalent bond? Yes. Okay. Can you draw carbon dioxide?
Wait, I sent my mother a text saying I was tested. Okay, wait, let me check.
You send your mother a text and what? Your mother supposed to reply you?
No, like I'm tested on atomic structure, chemical bonding.
Okay, so can you draw carbon dioxide?
Oh, so this is part of it?
Yes.
Oh shit.
Draw carbon dioxide.
Alrighty.
Draw carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide?
Carbon dioxide is 2.4.
No, carbon, you just draw like, you write C.
No, I know, but I need to know the...
Okay, carbon is... Carbon is 6. Oxygen is 8.
Yeah, I remembered it. I got a real.
Ask this one.
Wait a minute. Look at my
You don't
ex.
need to draw the inner shell, you know.
I want to draw it. Cannot.
No, you shouldn't draw axial, you should draw two axial. Trust me. My undo button is like broken. I swear. Every time I want to undo, cannot undo.
Oh, geez, look
Then I
at this
always
line.
erase right, then erase this right, then the whole thing gone.
Oh my god.
No, why you doing? Yeah. Then 2x then. Wait, Mr. Teng can hear us, right?
Yes.
Jesus.
Ew! Ew! Stop coughing!
Thank God we're at the laptop.
Okay, wait, then do what?
One oxygen here, one oxygen here.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I swear it's so much sleep.
Then draw two dots.
Can I just draw a stamp? Oh, I could have done that earlier. I mean,
Tick.
oh wait, yeah,
Two here first.
two here.
Yeah. Actually supposed to draw in the middle, but I think Mr. Teng don't care.
Wait, oxygen is 2 dot.
Six.
So 1, 2.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
You
Okay.
know it. That's so off, but whatever.
Eh?
被风笑。
I'm too lazy to undo it. Okay.
What is this, man?
FB's artwork.
This
I
is
got A1 for art.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. Yeah, so this is called a double covalent bond. You understand? Double covalent bond. So you need to know, okay, if you are testing on bonding, there are a few that you need to memorize, okay, like carbon dioxide, okay, double covalent bond. So next thing is why
Yuki says she can't feel her left hand.
you
Not enough oxygen.
blood, not enough blood.
Yeah, not enough oxygen. Nah.
Yeah, they probably took it from his left hand.
Her left
Oh,
hand.
His
Left hand.
Same, nah.
Okay, why pure carbon dioxide cannot conduct electricity?
carbon dioxide cannot. Because
Why?
it's not like made from strong forces of attraction.
No.
Yeah.
It does not have free moving ions. Is it? Okay, the ions are not free to move around. They're already bonded in this double covalent bond. Okay, so next thing you need to understand is the properties of ionic and covalent compound. So, all right, so it's here. Okay, which one is a solid at 1100 degrees Celsius? So basically, ionic compounds, because of C4 both sides, they have high melting point, high boiling point. Okay, but covalent compounds, they are Wim4, so they are very weak. All right. So which one do you think is a solid at 1100 degrees Celsius?
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
which one is a solid at 1100 degrees Celsius?
Huh? Why?
被风萧。
Why?
Why? Yeah, because it melts only at 2000. Which one is the ionic bond?
Yeah, ionic bond.
The characteristic of ionic bond.
It's It's probably V
V,
and Z.
Z,
Psi, it's V and Y.
V, and Y.
No, it's just V. It's just V.
V. Oh, do you know the characteristic of ionic and covalent compound?
Strong. I mean, high melting point.
No, electrical conductivity. You all don't know.
Yeah, I think I forgot.
Ionic compound. Image. Whoa. Look. Okay, look at this. So ionic compounds do not conduct electricity when solid. They only conduct when molten or dissolved in water. You got it?
Got it.
Cannot dissolve. So solid cannot dissolve. Solid, liquid can dissolve. Solid cannot dissolve. Liquid can dissolve. You see? W. Can?
Can.
Can?
Can.
Can. Okay, see. Most likely to be soluble in water. Which one is soluble in water?
Soluble in water.
Yeah, can dissolve in water. X,
Soluble in water.
X, X. Okay. Composed of small covalent bond, also X, right?
Bless me.
Liquid.
Sorry.
Next one. Okay, this one. No need. Okay, this one. What do the following numbers tell you about the atom? The number 4. What does it say? Oh.
That's like
It's nice to do that.
Number 4 in beryllium. What does it tell you?
Proton.
Huh?
I mean, like
Proton.
the top is proton.
Huh?
The top is proton. The bigger number is proton, what, isn't it?
No.
Oh, then below is proton lah.
Yeah, 4 proton. Then 9, what does it say?
Electron.
No.
Neutron.
No.
Nucleon.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's the meaning of nucleon?
nucleon.
Yeah.
Electron plus neutron.
No.
I don't know. Proton plus neutron.
Yes. Hey, you gotta get this clear though. This is Sec 2 stuff. This is Sec 2. Okay, so number 4 is the number of proton. This is the number of protons. Then 24 is proton plus neutron. Okay, so what is the electronic structure of magnesium? What is the electronic structure of magnesium?
Huh? What?
Yeah, what were you saying?
What is the electronic structure? Look at B part 1.
I'm doing it.
Yeah.
What is electronic structure? Oh my god, I forgot.
Is the 2.
It's just 2AA one, right?
Yeah.
And 282.
Yeah. 282.
I remember.
Hey, can you stop
which
moving
group-
it down,
I don't know how I
please?
remember.
Next question, which group do they put magnesium?
Hey, I'm drawing it.
Where?
Group 2.
Yeah.
Group 2. Yeah, group 2. Done already. Finish already, Effie.
I don't care. I want to do it.
Draw lah. Okay, next.
This is tested for me, like.
How do the indicate that they are both in the same group?
See
C.
the Valence Shell.
Yeah, look at the number of electron
At the
of the
Valence
most
shell.
shell. So you gotta say B is what? 2,2, 2.2. Okay. So they both have two.
I did it.
Yeah, they both have 2 electrons in the outermost shell. Next one. Okay, so this is a covalent bond B4H10. What 2 properties do you expect?
Covalent state 2 property. It
Low.
it's weak. Something force of
Low.
attraction.
Yeah, so because of the wing foil, it has low melting point.
Yeah.
Okay, then
low
it
melting
also
point.
does not conduct
electricity.
electricity. Yes. Next one.
How do you know that?
This one was memorized one, right? Okay, let's see this.
Gaseous mixture. No. Air.
Yeah, air is a gaseous mixture, that's right.
Colored metal. Copper.
Very good.
Wait, let me do it.
Black element is easy.
Crude oil.
No?
Carbon.
Yes.
What is crude oil?
Crude oil is you dig the ground, the oil that comes out is crude oil.
Okay.
Unprocessed.
Colorless liquid ethanol.
Colorless liquid. Ethanol. Yeah, very good. How do you know?
Because I did a science experiment.
Oh, good.
I want to drink my Oreo.
Okay, here.
I'm making Oreo.
You go to a strange planet. There's a green element.
Can you read to us?
What? Siri.
I quite easy read.
Hey Siri, read question 16A.
Sure. A Scholars Enrichment Center, 2A Maju Avenue, Serangoon Garden, Singapore 556680. Telephone 62894551.
Siri, hey Siri.
Uh-huh.
I don't think we've been introduced.
Repeat after me.
If this is some sort of
Repeat after me.
Is it so?
like this game,
I don't care.
I don't have an answer for that. Is there something else I can help with?
Hey,
Sorry, I'm having trouble hearing you.
can you say the atmosphere on a strange planet consists entirely of a green chemical element? Scientists studying the planet have given the element the chemical symbol ZE. The element does not conduct electricity. It combines with other elements to make covalent and ionic compounds. It forms the ion ZE. It's
It's too much for it.
It's too much. It's too much. It's too much already. Can you say?
I didn't get that.
Wait. Can you say the atmosphere on a strange planet consists entirely of a green chemical element?
I know why.
Scientists studying the planet have given the element
long,
the chemical symbol zinc. Whatever I said. The element does not conduct. Oh,
I don't have an answer for that.
shut up! Not
Mr.
done.
Teng, because when
What?
ionic bond, it receives element instead of giving element.
Yes.
So that's gas. That's one reason.
Mm-hmm.
Then it does covalent bonding, so that's another reason.
Yeah, that is correct.
So what is covalent bond to be exact?
Huh?
Okay.
It's just a name given to non-matter.
Can you start from the start of covalent bond?
There's no star, it's just covalent bond.
It's like, okay, what about ionic bond?
It's just matter and non-matter.
Wait, I still don't understand the part where like there's two different one. One is like like that. Then it's like combined with another one, right?
Yeah,
Then
that's covalent bond.
like that.
What's
Then
that?
Covalent is
Okay. Can you like give me a question on covalent bond? Then I want to try to do it.
Huh? Didn't we just do so many?
Yeah, but I just want to revise, get it?
Okay, okay, can. Fine, fine. Fine. Uh-huh. Can you do this? 21? 21 is covalent bond.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't do that to my baby.
no, I'm not hanging, I just stretching.
Chlorine.
Yeah. Edric can do 20, then Effie can do 21.
We only have
don't
one
get it.
device. What do you want us to do?
Oh, you got paper and pen.
Wait, I don't get it.
We don't go to your lesson paper.
Wait, I don't get it.
You don't get it?
So how do you do?
You don't get it?
I don't.
Adrian?
I don't get it.
Huh? So
Yeah.
you have an element called 2A4, and then you have an element called chlorine. So when they combine, what happens?
What is chlorine?
Huh? Chlorine is 17.
The
17.
so one is 14, one is 17.
Yeah.
Okay, give me a space.
Huh?
Space. I need a space.
Nah.
Yeah, just zoom in all the way.
Yeah? Go into the circle. You're in the circle right now. What are you doing?
No, I'm writing a number so I can remember.
Oh.
We need. It's 4. So that's
Shut up, Magic.
4 chlorine.
No, I said shut up. What's the problem? No, it's spoiling. No, it's not by myself anymore. Teacher, can you give me another question? I did just spoil everything.
What are you doing? Let him
How do you know
participate
it's
lah. He's very participative.
Like, chlorine is 2,8. Then like that element is 2,8,4. Then both to form noble gas, right? You must have like
No, but guess.
4 chlorine
No, but
to
guess.
make both have 8.
No, teacher, can you explain why is it fluorochlorine? Because I don't get it.
Huh? What do you mean?
One is chlorine is 17,
Zoom
then
out.
the other
Zoom
one
out.
is 2.8.
Chicken mouth.
Yeah, then how do you know there's like you need to draw 4 chlorines?
Because first chlorine is 2,8,7.
Oh, slap you.
Correct. 2,8,4 is just 2,8,4. Correct.
Then yeah.
Correct.
No, don't. Hey, I need to study.
Correct.
Yeah, and then.
You know this one is 2,8,4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, you see, this one is a non-metal, so electron must come in, correct?
No, I don't get it.
Huh? What do you mean? It's a non-metal, ma. It must eat electrons so that it can become 8, ma. Remember the noble
So like
gas?
you need to gain 1 electron.
Yeah, we want it to be 8.
Mm-hmm. And
So you
then.
must gain 1 electron. Now this 4, this one 4, right? You can either gain 4 or lose 4 because it's in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
It's in the middle, right? So what this one can do is it can share 4. So eventually what it will look like is, now first of all, another thing you can do is you can identify what is 2A4. Go to the periodic table. Which one is 14? Silicon, see that?
Mm-hmm.
Si. So is silicon metal or not metal? This one non-metal, confirm non-metal. How
Silicon
about
is not metal.
silicon? Is it a metal or non-metal?
Non-metal.
Non-metal. What is silicon?
Silicon ah. What? What do you want me to say? It's like the rubber like me.
Very good. Rubber, right? Rubber, not metal, correct. So non-metal, no metal. What type of bond? Ionic or
What?
covalent? Ionic or covalent?
Covalent.
Yeah lah, covalent means sharing, right? So must be 1 circle and 4 circle ma.
Why?
Like that.
I don't get it.
Why? Because it's the